How to create a falling snowflake animation effect in DaVinci Resolve 19.0.1. Inside your project's edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Effects. Go to click and drag a Fusion composition clip to your edit's timeline. Using the Selection Mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, click and drag at the end of the edits to change the duration, keeping an eye on the change in duration at the top and the overall duration of the clip at the bottom inside the box which appears alongside your mouse cursor. Right-click on your Fusion composition clip and go to Open in Fusion page. Inside your Fusion Nodes panel, go to select the P Emitter tool. With the new P Emitter 1 node selected, go to click on the P Render option. This node will enable your snowflake particles to be rendered for your final video. With P Render 1 still selected, hold and Shift and press space. Using the search box at the bottom of the Select Tool window, go to find the Soft Glow tool. Select this and go to click on Add. With Soft Glow selected, go to select the Blur option in your node menu. Deselect Blur 1. Go to click on the Merge Node option. Click on the grey box alongside Blur 1 and drag this to the green arrow alongside Merge 1 to make a connection and to ensure that your snowflake particles appear in the foreground. Deselect your nodes by clicking anywhere in the empty nodes grid and go to Insert a Fast Noise node. Click on the grey box alongside this node and drag this to the yellow arrow alongside Merge 1, which represents the background, which will enable us to implement the winter sky background later on in this tutorial. Connect Merge 1 to Media Out 1. Ensure that the left or right view option is selected underneath Media Out 1 so that you can see a preview of your overall effect above the Fusion timeline. Select P Emitter 1. To reduce the amount of snowflakes that appear on screen, decrement number from 10 to 0.175 to reduce the overlapping of falling snowflake particles. To vary the amount of snowflakes that spawn slightly, increment number variance to 0.01. To ensure that the snowflakes don't fade out before they get to the bottom of the screen, increment lifespan to 130. And to vary the position that the snowflakes appear on screen, change temporal distribution from all at same time to randomly distributed. If you feel there is a lack of variation in the starting position of your particles later on, you can also increment the value for random seed from 0 to 1000. To generate particle movement, go to the velocity properties. To add a slow, gentle moving speed to your snowflakes, increment velocity to 0.075. To add variation to the speed in which the snowflakes fall, I will increment velocity variance slightly to 0.025. To ensure that the particles float downwards, change angle to -90. And to vary the downwards trajectory slightly, increment angle variance to 2. To add the snowflake pattern itself, go to Style, change Style from Point to Brush. Change Brush from None to flake_1_A with use aspect from set to image format by default. To make the snowflakes appear on screen, go to Region, change Region from Sphere to Line. Zoom out to 25% on your Fusion preview window so you can see the outer side of your video frame. The line will establish the point where the snowflake particles spawn from. Change Start X offset to -0.7 so that the particles appear spread out when they fall. And to ensure that they start falling from the top, change Start Y offset to 0.5. Set End X offset to 0.7. Holding Control and scroll out if you can't see the start and end pointers for your line. And change End Y offset to 0.5. Return to Style. Ensure that you are at a later frame of your animation sequence, such as frame 87 here for example, so that you can see a preview of your overall effect above the Fusion timeline. Go to Size Controls, increment size to 6, change size variation to 3, and change size Z scale to 2, which can add further variation to the size of the snowflake particles that appear in your video. To have the snowflake pattern stand out more, go to Soft Glow, reduce the value for gain from 2 to 0.5. Now go to Blur. To reduce the rough edges around the snowflake brush patterns, increment blur size to 4, which should add some gentle feather to the outside of these particles. Now to add the winter sky background color shades, select Fast Noise 1. Underneath Inspector and Color, with type set to 2color, double click on the black box next to Color 1 and enter the code #31568F for a color shade in between light and dark blue. Click OK. Then double click on the white box next to Color 2 and enter a lighter blue color shade to mix in with your fast noise effect with the code #58BEDA in the bottom of your color window. Click OK. To ensure that the fast noise effect is animated, go to Noise and increment C8 to 0.04 to add a gentle animated effect to your winter sky background. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care. Happy holidays.